Okay, good morning everybody. So this is going to be the fourth video in the Ichimoku series that we've been doing on scanning for equities. And of course you can do the same process for taking trades on anything that you trade. But I thought I would focus on the equities because it's that time of year where many people are getting emails with stock picks and so forth. So I thought what a great way for people to see if it's really a good spot to be entering rather than taking somebody's word for it. So if you're interested in more on the Ichimoku, I'm doing a webinar today at 4:30 and I'll go over everything in complete detail and then we'll continue a little bit more with the scanning and using multiple time frame analysis to fine-tune your entry. So that's what I'm going to show you a little bit of right now. All right, so I'm going to use this Thinkorswim demo that I have to show you the multiple time frame analysis rather than Ninja because it's just a little easier for me for the moment. But tonight I'll go over, or this afternoon I'll go over both. All right, so this is Adobe. This is a good example. So as mentioned in the previous videos, we're watching for price to come out of the Ichimoku cloud or bounce off of it on the top side or come through on the bottom side. So this is the daily right here. This is the 60-minute, and then this is the 30-minute. So you can see that this is getting ready to bounce off the cloud, and this is yesterday. And how to fine tune your entry is you see it getting ready to bounce off the cloud. We don't know if it's going to yet. It may continue into the cloud and try to pop through the bottom side, but we're looking at Adobe getting ready to bounce off the cloud. So then we look to the 60-minute, and you can watch for the entry off the 60-minute or the 30-minute. So here you can see on the 60-minute that price is inside the cloud. So this is not ready to buy if you're trying to fine tune your entry off the 60-minute. If you look at the 30-minute, you have price under the cloud. So what would be perfect is if all three of these time frames agreed for the buy, or at least one additional time frame other than the daily. So what you would be watching for if you're going to try to buy this Adobe bouncing off the cloud here, you're going to watch for it to come out of the cloud on the 60-minute or the 30-minute or even both. So you want them all to agree for a higher probability. Obviously, it would be a higher probability. Let's take another one. Let's see if we can find another one here real quick. All right, here's another one. All right, so I just went to the top of the list. This is American Airlines. And you can see here, let me just make this 60 a little bigger. There we go. So here on the daily, you can see it attempting to get through the top part of the cloud here on 11/29, 11/30, the 4th of December, the 7th, and now it's retracing back again on yesterday. So if you're thinking that you wanted to try to buy this, you're going to look here on the 60, and what you want to see is you want to see it coming outside the top end of the cloud, and the 30, same thing. These don't really look like they're telling us that we should probably buy this just yet, because these are looking almost like these might set up under the cloud. So we want to be careful on our timing. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And I'll go over this more detail today at 4:30. And if you have any questions, by all means, shoot me an email. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all at 4:30. Have a great day, you guys.